hear that? That sounded big and strong. Do you know what animal that is? I'll give you a clue. It starts with this letter, the letter B. Let's trace it together. Ready? Start at the top, draw a line straight down, then go back to the top. Make a big curve to the right and down to the middle. Now, make another big curve from the middle down to the bottom. You did it! Nice work! Do you see the animal that starts with the letter B?
Oh.
No way!
Oh. Perfect.
That's right. It's there. Let's spell it out. Ready? B-E-A-R. Bear. One more time. B-E-A-R. Bear. Great job. Did you know bears belong to a group of animals called mammals? This group also includes lions, tigers, and even humans. Bears like to live in forests, mountains, and sometimes even near rivers and lakes. Bears are excellent climbers. They can climb trees to find food or escape from danger. Wow, wasn't that fun learning about bears? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fun learning adventures. Thanks for living with us. Bye.